Hmm?
Euro USD, right? Which date?
September 4.
September 4.
4.
Which time frame?
I want you to do it the way you do it.
Hmm?
I want you to start the way you, if you are about to get into the trade, how do you start?
You mean daily time frame?
Okay.
But in a September, I think it's a long time. But in a lower time frame, I think trading view is not allowed. Like 1 minute and 5 minute, more than I think 1 month.
Okay.
Or you can use a like little bit higher time frame, so we can use a past data because trading view not allowed the older data in a lower time frame. Like 1 2 week, I think is allowed.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I've been wanting to ask this. I think there are times on your premium subscribers that you don't discuss on YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
I want to know about them, Mr. Khan. Nah, yeah, big. Mr. Khan,
Yes.
please, do I have access to that?
Okay, wait a minute. So basically you trade only Euro USD, right?
And GBP
GBP as well as. Okay. So we can use like any. You can annotate here also which part you would like to backtest today.
September 4.
So September 4th, I think in a lower time frame. So
Yes.
not August, September 4, 6,
Yes.
around here.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So this is our day 1 hour time frame structure. And which time frame you trade mostly? Like 1 hour, 4 hour, 15 minute, which
I
time frame?
I use 1 hour and then I look at 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and then last 1 minute.
Okay, you use a 1 hour to like 5 minute, 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute, and 1 minute, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so first of all, to marking, you have to mark the structure first. Okay, because a structure, first marking the structure, second identify inducement and liquidity, and third thing is identifying the POI before the buy and sell, right? So in this scenario, first of all, you have to mark the structure. Everything is a bearish, everything
Yes.
is a bearish here. So first of all, look at the structure. Previous low. Where is our previous low? This point, right? It means this is our previous low. And where is our previous high? This point. This is our highest point is here. But if market is a continue falling and must be break the previous low, if this low is a broken and close below it, so this point become our break of structure. Correct.
Yes.
Okay. So you have to wait for it to break this low and wait for our inducement. Then we can take entry, right? Okay. So first of all, look at this one and wait for it. Okay. Finally, market broke this one. So when market break the previous high or low, that's called a break of structure because market momentum is a bearish here, right? So now what are you looking here right now?
Inducements.
Inducement. So where is inducement? Can you enter it here?
The first high.
Okay. The first high is our inducement, right?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So first high is our inducement. And after taking out the inducement, generally we are looking for the sell because everything is a bearish. So where is inducement? The first pullback is here, right? Once market taken out this high, then we are looking for the sell, right? This is our first area, first point when we are interested for the sell, right? And you have to wait for it to take out this one, and then we can trade here, right? So let's see. Okay, market still not taken out any kind of inducement here, right? So still
Yes.
have to wait for it. Okay, perfect. This time still not are taken out any kind of inducement right now. Okay, so right now where is our inducement?
The first high. The next one.
Okay, you mean this one?
Yes.
Exactly. Okay, so this is our inducement because the inducement shift because market create new pullback is here. Okay, so basically you have to wait for it to take out the first inducement, either tap on PY, either market sweep the inducement and create any SUB single candle order block confirmation, then we can enter, right? So simply you have to wait for it. So let's see if market not able to taken out this inducement in some scenario. In this case, generally you have to wait for another inducement before enter. Okay, so let's see what happening here. Okay, okay. So at the point, market just create like equal high, not sweep the liquidity, right? So this is just indication that market are looking for a downside move, okay, but creating a liquidity here. It means in a future, if market came back broke this low, and then very highly chances that market came back to taken out this high because these are equal high. But if market sweep this one and came back downside, so we can immediately sell here based on SUB single candle order block right now. Okay.
All right.
Okay. So let's see what happened next here after this one. Okay, perfect. Still there is no inducement taken out. Still inducement are similar here, and these are equal high. Also SNR support and resistance type of liquidity here, which is indication that market must be came back this point before a downside move, something like this. Okay, so if market came back this area, then market taken out the liquidity, then we can enter here and we can sell here, right? So let's see what happened next after this one. Okay. All right. Still, this is our inside move. As you know, the previous candle low and high is still protected. There is no high low is a broken, right? So still our inducement are similar here. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is our inducement is here, and this is our inside move between this kind of high or low, and this is a single leg move, and you have to wait for it to taken out this one, right? Okay, so finally market taken out the inducement at this point. So generally when market taken out the inducement, then what are you looking at this point? Probably
Single candle.
uh
Sing,
probably
sing,
yeah.
Go on, go on.
Okay, sorry. So when market taken out the inducement, we are looking for the sell based on single candle order block, right? But where is our single candle order block? In this case, if you can see this candle grab the liquidity actually. So next candle must be close below it, just below it, right? So if price close below it, so create a single candle order block, but market not create, just grab the liquidity right here. So you have to wait for it. Okay. So let's see what happened next here. Okay. Right. At the point, what happened here? This low and this high is broken by this candle. So actual candle is here, not this one. This is our master candle which grab the liquidity and still sweep the liquidity. And if market close below it, so we can mark as a PY right here. Okay. This one. So let's see, wait for it and push downside. Okay, look at this one. We can sell here based like in a two scenario. First one is here, the previous high is a broken and create a taking out the liquidity and create SCOV single candle order block is here, right here. But this is a very larger range, right? So in this scenario, we can mark this is our entire candle and we can refine also. And if anybody wants to sell here immediately, so this is our candle closer, next candle mitigation. So this will be our entry point and this is our stop loss and this is a target, but this is a not looks good risk reward. That's why we can't take this one trade. Okay, you have to like refinement. Okay, in this situation you have to refine it into lower time frame. This is our 1 hour time frame. Also, we can use another one is called hidden PY. Hidden PY means the previous structure high is here, you know, this one. And this type of situation we use generally when market create a long PY, long shadow in that case. So this is our area for refinement purpose is here. In this case, you can sell also here, right? But you have to put the stop loss of just above it, which is not safe because very larger. So you have to wait for it to mitigation this one to refinement to reduce your risk reward, to reduce your stop loss and maximize your profit. Okay. So if market came back this point here, this is our hidden supply zone and tap here and create any chalk or flip and then we can sell here because everything is a bearish here. Everything is a bearish here. Okay. So let's see what happened next after this one. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Market mitigate this point right here. So in this situation, how you can deal here? Simply, in this case, we can use two type of situation here. Market tap on your hidden supply zone and you have to wait for it single candle order block for additional confirmation. And also we can use 5-minute chalk and flip entry module applicable here. So first of all, you have to wait for it higher time frame confirmation like single candle order block for the additional. Then if we can trade here. Okay. So right now there is no SCOB here. Okay. And now we can see here at this point that both candle high are similar. Let me mark this one. Look at this one. Both candle high. So in this case, we can use both candles. Like this one also we can use and this one also, but you have to mark the where this candle is here, right? The next candle, if close below it, so we can trade. And also, if market create here 5-minute chalk, then we can use for the entry. This is a 1 hour time frame right now. So let's see. Oh, perfect. Break this one. And next candle came back this point. We can sell and put the stop loss just of it. And where is our target? Target will be at this point. This is our final target based on, this is our direct entry based on a higher time frame. Okay. And also, if you wanna switch in a lower time frame at this point, then you can switch, because at least you have to check a 10x to 15x lower time frame. Like if you are using 1 hour, then you have to use 5-minute time frame. That's a lower time frame. Okay, so let's see what happened next here. Okay. All right. Oh, finally, mitigate this area, and this is our execution here, right? And also, you can switch here in a 5-minute time frame, and then market create a chalk here, something like this area. This is our PY, and market tap here and create chalk, this one. And you have to wait for it, take around the inducement and then sell. So this is our next entry here at this point. Same at this point in a lower time frame, in a 5-minute time frame. Okay. And this is our entry based on single candle order block. Okay. So let's see what happened next here after this one. Okay. Perfect. And this is our internal structure as well as, the previous higher sweep here and push downside. So this area also act like a PY, and same thing happening between this high and low, like sweep, break this one, came back to the upside, mitigation and sell. If close of it, so you need inducement like this one and sell this one. Okay. So let's see. Right now, the previous high is a broken here. Okay, at this point. Okay. And now simply you have to wait for it a chalk, then we can sell. So where is chalk in the scenario? First pullback. Okay. This is our chalk. I'm sorry. Okay. Wait for it. Okay, broken. So in this situation, how you can deal? There is no inducement in this lag. So should I take this entry or not?
Yes.
Yes. Why?
Because everything is perfect for us.
Mm-hmm.
No, I lost.
Why this entry you should take on?
I don't know, Mr. Khan.
Okay, no problem. Actually, the previous structure high is a sweep. That's why we can take this one. What happen if price close of it? In that case, we should take or not. If price close our bid, for example, so this entry will be valid or not? No.
If price goes up.
Yes. If price close our bid, then this entry is not valid until to create a valid inducement. If create inducement, in this situation, this entry become a valid. Because before downside and upside move, market must be taken out the inducement and taken out the liquidity. So liquidity already grab here, So we can directly sell here at this point, simply. Okay. If price close of it, it means liquidity not taken out. So you have to wait for it to taken out inducement and then sell. Okay. So let's see what happened next here. And sorry, this one is our entry and stop loss just of it. And this is our target, right? Yeah. So everything is clear till now?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Every time when market grab the liquidity, then you have to wait for it chalk and then we can sell on those given a PY. Simple. If price close of it, then you need an inducement before enter here.
Mr. Khan,
Yes.
in this video, from what I'm saying now, we only had two entries from this place. How many entries do you always have in a day? Me, I trade every day like this. Do you understand what I'm talking about? I trade every day. So I want to ask, how much entries do you get in a day?
In this case, you
No,
mean
not in this case. I'm
okay.
just asking it.
Okay, you mean how many entries I taken out in a day or week?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Actually, in this day, I'm trading very less, and most probably 2 or 3 days I trading in a week because I wait for good opportunity before I enter. Okay, because I don't trade every day.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so what is this?
Break of structure.
Break of structure. Perfect. I'm sorry. This is our another break of structure. So after this break of structure, this is our previous lower lows and lower high, right? Everything is bearish still. Okay. So should I consider this as a lower low? Yes or
Yes.
no? Why?
Because the candle closed below it.
Okay, but candle closer confirm a valid boss, not lower lows. Lower lows only confirm when market taken out the inducement. Okay, so this is a not still a valid lower lows. You have to wait for it to taken out the inducement to confirm lower low. Candle closer only confirmation of break of structure, right? So let's see. Push downside. Okay. So right now, where is our inducement in this case?
The idea.
This one?
No, I'm talking about the one down.
This one?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Yes, this one is our valid inducement because this one is a valid pullback, as you know. So mark this one. Right? Okay. Let's
Mr. Khan,
yes.
I want to ask you, what are the things you did before you started seeing profitability, please?
You mean, can you repeat again?
What are the things you did before you started seeing profitability?
What are you think seen?
What are the things you did
Okay, you did
in your before you
profitability.
started?
Okay, you mean what I did?
Yes.
Okay. Actually, main part is a trading is a backtesting. Main thing actually, because backtesting makes you create a more confidence, and also you can understand better psychology. And when you backtest your data, previous data, okay, then you can understand that how market react and what is next move is a possible. Backtesting is a very important. When you backtesting your data next 30 days, then you will definitely see very big change in your strategy. It doesn't matter that which strategy you are trading. It's all about backtesting and practice. And next important thing is a psychology, mindset. When you think in a bigger, then everything looks very not easy, but very simple. And the next one is a probability. When you put any trade, okay, then you have to think about probability. This trade can be uh, converted into loss, can be hit a stop loss, can be hit also your take profit. What happen if your stop loss hit? And what happen if your TP hit? Okay, so you have to think before execution your position. These are very important thing. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, this one is our inducement. Now let's see. Okay, so this lower low is a confirm or not?
It is confirmed
Why?
because inducement has been taken out.
Exactly. When market taken out the inducement, then lower low is a confirm, right? So now you can play. When you can trade right now, where is PY? Basically, after taking out the inducement, we can trade. Where? We can trade based on SUB. This is our last buying momentum before the sell. Price closure it. So this is our technically is a SUB, similar like this, right? As you can see. But you have to mark the structure. Hidden PY is here. Okay, like this. So it means if market came back this point, this area, and create SCOB, single candle order block, something like this, then we can trade. Otherwise, we have to wait for it to create this structure. Okay. So price type here. Okay. And now you have to wait for it to create SCOB. Okay. Price already mitigate this one. Right now, the next candle is not close below it. So there is a no SCOB. Okay. Let's wait for it. Okay. You can see here similar situation like this. You can see, but price not create here any SUB single candle order block. So should I take this trade or not? This one is a valid or not? Absolutely not, because market not create any SUB. Some look at this one. Next candle close below it, third candle mitigation here and sell. Same thing happen in price type here, create a bearish indication, but third candle is not close below it, second candle. So this is not a valid SCOB. Price just mitigate your hidden supply zone, give reaction and trap and fail. And market looking to grab the more liquidity before drop. So right now, where is our next PY in this situation? Now you have to identify where is our unmitigated order block and PY. Okay. So in this case, you can see this high to this low, everything is mitigated here. This order block mitigate, this one is mitigate, this one is mitigate. Only one, this shadow is looks unmitigated here. Why? Because the previous candles high is taken out. That's why. Okay. So in future, if market came back this area, we can sell here simply, right? So let's see. This one. I'm sorry. And this is our final target at this point, right? So this is our next possible entry here for the sell because the only one PY is here when we can sell here. And finally, market hit our target point. Okay. So now what is this? This point. This point become our next brick of structure is here. Right?
Mr. Khan,
Yes.
what before the market, before the price it out take profit, what if the market reversed and creates some kind of inducement up there? Why does it do that? Since inducement has already been taken out from the start, why does it always create an inducement again after it has mitigated the other block?
Can you edit it? Screen? Can you annotate on a screen?
I don't. Do you understand what I'm saying? Mr. Khan?
Yes.
What I'm saying is, if it later went up from as it's like this, then it's come like this.
Okay.
Why does he always do that when it has already taken these inducements?
You mean why this inducement taken out?
No, not this one. Why
Okay.
does it create this kind of inducement when inducement here has already been taken out?
You mean sometime market taken out the inducement and tap on PY, and sometime just market taken out the inducement and push downside without mitigation PY.
No.
Okay. Actually, I'm not understanding. I'm not very well in English. That's why. Can you please simplify in
Yeah.
English?
Yeah.
Okay.
It has
Okay.
already taken the inducement here. Why does it need another one here?
This inducement.
Yes. Since it has already taken this one, why does it need to take this one?
Actually, look at this one. When price type on PY, okay,
Yes.
create chalk, and before entry, we need inducement always in a lower time frame, not same time frame.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
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 So this is a break of structure right now. And wait for it. Okay. So at the point, what are you looking here? This lower low is a confirm or not? This point.
Yes.
Okay. This is our lower high. And this is our lower low. And why this is a lower low? Because market taken out the inducement. So where is inducement? Let me mark this one. This point. And after taking out the inducement, probably we are looking for sell, right? So when
Yes.
we can sell, first one after taking out the inducement and create SUB single candle order block. And next one is here. If market type on PY, then we can trade simply, right? So right now, this is our actual candle is here. The last buying candle before this top. So if price close below it, so we can consider as a valid SUB, then if we can enter. Okay, let's see. Okay, market broke this low right now. Okay, but not close below it. If market close below it, so we can sell directly. This one is a liquidity grab here and we can sell. But price not close below it. Just sweep the liquidity. So we need a more additional confirmation before the enter. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Okay, the previous internal high is a sweep here. Okay, if third candle is a close below the black candle, so we can consider as a single candle order block for additional confirmation. We can take trade. Okay, so let's see. Okay, perfect. Price close below it. It means market create SUB single candle order block, and now we can enter here for the sell. Right. So this is our order block. Okay, this one. And if price came back this area, then we can enter here for the sell. Why? Because the previous high is a sweep here. If sweep, then we can directly sell here. If close, then we need an inducement before enter. Okay, so let's see. And let's mark this one. Put the stop loss just over it. Okay, let's see. Okay, mitigation. Push downside. In this case, when price type on PY, we can use multiple position here for sell. This is our last buying candle before the drop. This one. And push downside. It means if you miss the first trade and price react from a PY, so we can sell here. And something like this. And put the stop loss just off it. Okay. So let's see. This one is a mitigate also. Okay. Perfect. And this one is also sweep the liquidity. If price came back this area, then we can also another sell until broken this low. Okay. And this is a called single candle order block. This point. Let me mark. Okay, still everything is clear now.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So same process you have to follow And now this point become our tick of structure is here, lower lows, lower high, and this process will be continue until trend up bend.
Mr. Khan,
Yes.
you said you only choose 2 or 3 trades in a week, right?
Which one, sir?
Uh, can you please show me one of your previous trades? I want to see how you analyzed the before you made your entry. Hello,
Yes.
do you understand what I said?
Not understand, please.
I want to look at one of your previous trades. I want to see how you made your analysis and how you enter, please.
Okay, you mean how I analysis and
Yes,
enter?
on your own trade.
Okay. Actually, let me treat. Actually, I off my trading since last 1 month. I don't remember exactly, but I can say briefly here. I can explain. Actually, first of all, you have to mark the structure. Okay, before to putting trade, you have to mark the structure. Second thing, you have to mark the inducement and find the PY zone and wait for mitigation and then entry. Simple. Okay, this is a based on structure formation. Next thing is here, if you all want to trade based on session timing, the previous session high or low, that of kind of situation, and previous day high or low, previous session high or low, these are a lot of things. So you have to wait for it to break them and sweep them and wait for chalk and flip, and then you can sell or buy. First of all, you have to mark the structure in a higher time frame and find the inducement in a same higher time frame and wait for higher time frame PY mitigation, and then you have to switch in a lower time frame and then entry. Simple. Like this one is a lower low, and this point is our lower high, and break the structure. And wait for inducement. This high, first high is the inducement, and wait for PY mitigation and then sell. Simple. If market not taken out any inducement, then don't try to buy or sell. Market must be taken out the liquidity and inducement before they enter. Generally, people trying to sell at this point here. But this is not a PY. This is just SMT, smart money trap, because there is no inducement or liquidity grab still. And you are buying or selling before liquidity grab. So first pullback, first PY order block is called SMT. You have to always wait for to taken out this high and then wait for mitigation this actual order block, and then we can enter.
Mr. Khan,
Yeah.
please, can you please show me the way you analyzed your own trade? I want to see one of your trade. I want to see how you analyzed the trade before you made your entry. Do you understand?
No, actually, I'm not understanding.